I'm Dr. Hira Farid and I am CEO and founder at TBI. The most exciting thing about my startup right now is the rapid scaling phase. TBI is trying to solve the problem of misdiagnosis that the lab faces due to shortage of pathologists, high cost of molecular tests, and slow turnaround time of testing, human error made by unskilled workers, and less equipped labs. So basically, TBI is one of my healthcare researches about mitigation of incidence and prevalence of tuberculosis and malaria, because tuberculosis is endemic in Pakistan. So we were conducting that research with WHO, and as part of completing the thesis, one of my professors suggested me that I should commercialize this product because the world needs it. Because according to WHO, like more than 4 million TB cases are going undiagnosed, more than 32% cases of malaria are going undiagnosed. So this is the need of the time to change the labs as future ready diagnostics. So that is when I realized that I should work into it and I should adopt it as a product and present it to the world so that the things would be made easier in the field of diagnostics. Our team is an interesting combination of healthcare, AI engineering, and expertise in video stream analysis and Sahi technology. And because it is about diagnostics, so I'm adding the healthcare part and expertise, and it is having the AI component. So we have our AI engineer who's PhD and having 28 patent researches, and then we added that chunk of computer vision in it. So it is coming from my co-founder, who is also leading a Safe City project for image stream analysis. So that's how we came together and made TBI a success. The one factor or traction result that I'm most proud of is having 31 labs in 2 countries. Our solution is different from the existing solutions of same kind in AI diagnostic, is that TBI is providing the definite diagnosis versus the existing solutions are providing only screening and predictive analysis. Second thing is that TBI also giving the automated bacterial count that makes it easier for you to decide which antibiotic to use for the disease prognosis or to control the disease. My vision for the next 12 months is having 100 labs on board, or might be 100 plus labs on board, and how Accelerating Asia can help me grow. And one of the reasons for joining Accelerating Asia is that I want to expand in APAC region, because the 10 highest TB burden countries are in the APAC region. So my biggest challenge was reaching out the customers beyond Pakistan, particularly in Bangladesh and Japan, Philippines, and all the countries in this region who are having a high load of TB. After coming to Accelerating Asia, I met a lot of people who connected me to different people of my concern and my need, and that's how Accelerating Asia helped me. And second was communicate. That's a founder level thing. So how I can communicate with my audiences who are layman and who are not understanding what healthcare terminologies are. So here they made my pitch quality and feature so strong that now I can communicate with the audiences and they are understanding what TBI is meant for. It's been 1 month to Accelerating Asia Ventures, wow, and I already got 3 new clients on board, and I get to connect with many people through Accelerating Asia network. Secondly, in Pakistan, when they know you are a part of Accelerating Asia Ventures, they know you are credible enough. What one sentence I can use to explain Accelerating Asia Ventures? It's like the Y Combinator of Asia.